There we go. There we go. Oh, we got a shark. All right. He might get away from me. I don't know. It's been a while. Come on in here. End up losing him, getting all the slag. Come on. Come on in here. This takes so long to catch these sharks. I know it used to. When I first started playing this and them sharks would get on here, I couldn't catch any. I couldn't catch them. It took me the longest time before I could get them. Come on now. It's not popping. End up losing it. Don't break line. Don't break line. Come on. We got him. Look at there. Boom. What did we get? A Mako shark. How about that?